White sugar, also known as sucrose, is a common sweetener found in many of our favorite foods and drinks. It's a disaccharide composed of glucose and fructose units, and it can be derived primarily from sugarcane and sugar beet. Interestingly, sucrose can also be obtained from the sorghum plant. This versatile sugar is widely used in the food industry, not just to sweeten foods and soft drinks but also in the manufacture of syrup and converted sugar. When sucrose is added to foods or drinks during processing or preparation, it's referred to as added sugar. This is different from the sugars naturally found in fruits and milk. Understanding the sources and uses of sucrose helps us make informed choices about our sugar consumption and its impact on our health. This added sugar is different from naturally occurring sugars. In today's fast-paced world, sugar has become a staple in many of our diets. While it is true that sugar from natural sources like fruits, whole grains, and dairy can provide essential energy, the added sugars found in many processed foods can pose significant health risks. Added sugars are prevalent in biscuits, cakes, flavored yogurts, carbonated drinks, and even savory items like bacon and ketchup. These sugars can disrupt the body's natural hormone balance, particularly leptin, which regulates appetite. This disruption can lead to overeating and, subsequently, obesity. The overconsumption of sugar also forces the body to produce more insulin, placing undue stress on the pancreas. Over time, this can lead to the development of type 2 diabetes. Additionally, sugar's impact on heart health cannot be understated. Excessive intake is linked to increased risk of heart attacks and high blood pressure. Fructose, a type of sugar, is metabolized in the liver. When consumed in excess, it turns into fat, leading to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Moreover, diabetic individuals consuming too much sugar can suffer from kidney failure, as their kidneys struggle to filter excess sugar. Joint pain and rheumatoid arthritis are also linked to high sugar consumption. Additionally, sugar affects blood circulation, which can lead to erectile dysfunction. To improve overall health, it is crucial to limit added sugar intake, opting for natural sources instead. Sugar, while a common ingredient in many of our favorite foods, can have significant health implications if consumed in excess. One notable impact is on acne. Consuming too much sugar can lead to increased insulin and androgen levels, which in turn stimulates the sebaceous glands. These glands produce oil that can clog pores, leading to acne breakouts. Thus, reducing sugar intake can help manage acne by lowering these hormone levels. Additionally, sugar is a primary contributor to tooth enamel erosion. The bacteria in our mouths feed on sugar, producing acid that can erode enamel, leading to cavities and tooth decay. It's crucial to limit sugar intake to protect our teeth and maintain oral health. Moreover, there is a link between sugar intake and cancer. High sugar consumption can lead to inflammation, obesity, and other health issues, all of which are risk factors for certain types of cancer. It's important to be mindful of sugar consumption to reduce these risks. To minimize these risks, it's vital to monitor sugar intake. Adults should consume no more than 30 grams of sugar per day, while children aged 7 to 10 should not exceed 24 grams. For kids aged 4 to 6, the limit is 19 grams. Avoid sugary drinks and foods high in added sugars like chocolates, cookies, and cakes. Be cautious of hidden sugars such as fructose, maltose, glucose, dextrose, and sucrose. While artificial sweeteners are often seen as alternatives, they may have their health risks. Opt for natural sweetness from fruits to satisfy sugar cravings without the adverse effects.